Americano.
You can do balance there. Oh, you're doing pretty good. You okay? It's not too bad. What did you see?
Oh my gosh,
You okay? Huh?
that shit absolutely sucks. It hurts.
Friction.
He freaking burned your hand. Hello. Oh. Ow. It hurt my leg. Why did I wear shorts?
Elias, Jordan. Come on, let's go.
You
Yes,
like a
I-
YouTuber.
Yes, I do. Is that a dolphin?
Ah, darn it, I forgot. Oh, I think I remember.
Have you remember here? You play here before.
What is it?
I don't know. Huge.
It'll work till the summer.
Yeah. There's no water yet. Let's go over in that area.
I wanna
We used to go, grandpa over there, go fishing. Yeah, we caught some bluegill and catfish.
I thought my dad had it said it had to be a record. It was like
Yeah, it's like there's a measurement. before you keep.
Like the bluegill was like this thick.
Uh-huh. Did you catch or your dad?
I caught it. It was absolutely rippling muscles.
Is that your first fishing?
No, that was actually in South Dakota.
Oh,
But it fought me for like 5 minutes.
lucky you. How many fish did you catch?
That was, I don't know, like 20 of that 50 trips. But
Wow.
like 15 of them died because they swallowed the hook and no one was precise enough to pull the started out of their
Mouth?
no, they swallowed them.
Oh. Do you know how to put bait in your fishing pole? Yeah, it's not allowed. Not allowed over here. Yeah. They used to have like a pedal dock here that you can rent during summertime, I guess. Not this time. It's too early. Beautiful park.
Where you believe them.
This is my family here. My Americana family in the US. Americano husband.
Americano,
My grandson Americano. My daughter-in-law Americano. My sister-in-law. Yes. Tara? Let's go then. There's grandma here. Mommy.
Marianne is so lucky to have such a good husband.
That's his trademark. All the time. That's what he always told me. That, but that's true. He's always a good one. Number one. They have a maze out there too. Do you know that? There's a maze out there that we used to play, me and your grandpa. It's cool. You have just to follow the maze.
I know it's the easiest trick to find your way out of it.
How?
Always follow the left side.
Oh, that's the trick.
Follow the left side because if you follow the right,
You lost?
alright, and you get lost even easier if you just go wherever your gut goes. It goes all
Mhm.
the way.
Oh, thank you for telling me that.
Ooh, piggy.
Now I know.
I haven't seen a piggy since I went to Denver.
Yeah, it's a big one.
I thought it looked like
There you go. Oh, hey. Yeah, it's kinda. There's the bridge. size are you?
Hi, Robin. Yeah, that's a robin.
You know what's the rock? You know what's the rock?
No?
Hold on, Lulu's picture here. Ah, that's fun. I'm scared. I went to the top, my legs like shaking.
We walked 100.
I'm scared of the heights.
Oh, you walked up the thing?
Yeah.
120 steps?
Okay.